Changing the font in Kajabi is easy and can be done through the platform's customizable design settings. Here's how to change the font for your website or landing pages. Log into your Kajabi account. Go to Kajabi and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Website Settings. On the dashboard, click on Website from the left-hand menu. Select Design to access the theme settings. Choose your theme. In the Theme section, you will see the active theme for your website. Click Customize to begin editing your theme's design. Go to Typography Settings. Within the theme editor, navigate to the Typography section. This is where you can change the font for various elements such as headings, body text, buttons, and navigation. Select fonts. Kajabi provides a list of fonts to choose from. For more customization, you can add custom fonts by uploading them or using Google Fonts integration. Simply click on the drop-down menu next to each text style and choose the font you want. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with your font choices, click Save to apply the changes to your site.